So this year, I am very inspired to do a mantra chant program, experiential program. And beginning in May, for 6 weeks, 6 Wednesday nights, we'll be meeting to chant. And I have cultivated a number of mantras that we'll be chanting together. The Tara empowerment mantras, which are just an incredible collection of 4 mantras, as well as Om Namah Shivaya, which is the Shiva mantra. Uh, we'll do the Ganesh mantra. And I'm also going to do the Dhammataraya mantra. And I've chosen these mantras, so there's 7 of them altogether. And then there's, of course, Om Shanti Om that we chanted here. Um, so there's 7 that we'll actively be doing and experimenting with. Um, and I'll also just be giving you an overview of what are the different types of mantra in the tantric tradition. Um, the goddess mantras, and there's all these different mantras. And for those who get very serious about the practice, we will continue because there are some great books and guides that, will take you deeper and keep you moving along. But this is really to get started or to weave mantra into a busy life. So I'm so excited about it. I'm also this year for the first time going to do a master series concurrently, which will be which is 3 lectures that'll happen before some of the experiential weeks. That'll dive into the science and will kind of be jam session for yoga teachers and dietitians to weave mantra into the work that we do. So I'm freaking excited about that as well. But I'm come come chant with me in May. Um, I feel like mantra is medicine for today. And, I try to make it accessible and fun. And I hope to see you there. There's a seat for you. So thank you so much. At the very least, subscribe and check back with me. I do a lot of different yoga therapy, and especially as it relates to lifestyle medicine and especially nutrition. And yeah, have yourself a fabulous day. Namaste.